got your elevators here and your ailerons. And these are your flaps and leading edge slats. Nice and slow. It's really nice here. This is going to be available, it's already available as your plug and play, so you can use your own transmitter or receiver and get it ready to fly. Kind of up to you guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn her up here and show you guys the retract. Grab my transmitter here. Check it out. Look at that slow retract action on that rotary retract system. Nowhere else can you find this. And fully closable gear doors. That is what I call a streamlined EDF jet. Look at this monster jet here. While we're at it here, I want to show you guys, these right here are the smoke systems, and these are electronically detonated, which there's a PCB board in here that detonates a smoke unit on an external switch. So it's basically refillable. You got to buy the bombs again, and it's plugged in right here through this little port here, and you guys got aerial smoke, which is really awesome. How much cooler can you get than that? Let's go ahead and put the gears back down. Boom! Check that out, and here comes the gears. They lock down in the down position, nice and tight. No more stiff servos, nothing like that. Look at the reliability of that. I'll show you guys the rear thrust vectoring. It's 180 degrees, so these slats here will go up and down, as you can see here. And they move in conjunction with the elevator and the ailerons. You can opt to fly this on a 5-channel if you wanted to, or a 6-channel, as long as you want to use the retracts. And you have optional smoke as well.